And you know, also now when you mentioned the trials that fail, a, a, a constant finding, or at least one of the learnings that I have, I think that I have the the pleasure or or so lucky to work with an amazing clinical trialist, and I, she told me that a clinical study should answer one question. If you want a clinical study to answer two, three, four, five questions, then you are making that study extremely complex, and the chances of failure
Mm,
are exponential.
right.
And this is a kind of common practice, and is understandably when you have little resources, you want to do one thing to address 20 aspects, but
Yeah.
it will not. It will fail. So that's why it's important those studies to really prioritize. So I'm yes, it's important to not only understand we have those clinical studies, you have that data, but what additional data points you can have and showcase. We have a call center at Insight Tech. The patients are calling just to learn what is that for ultrasound, and there were thousands of interactions there, and no one in more than 10 years. Well, no, not 10 years, since 2016, 9 years or 8 years, because we did it in 2024. No one had looked at it, at that. No, no one. And it was so rich to show to payers how long it takes a patient to be diagnosed.
Hmm.
In this country, it takes 17 years on average
Wow.
to be diagnosed with essential tremor. Patients are shaking, they don't know what's going on,
Yeah.
and in many cases they get, oh, you're lucky it's not Parkinson, that's all, you know, and they are wondering what's going on. They need to justify themselves in public if they cannot drink, that they look maybe drunk or something, that are shaking or they are nervous. And then it can take 20 years taking different drugs for the very little percentage of those who have been offered a treatment,
Hmm.
until they said, oh, you know what, there are potential additional, solutions for that. But what I want, I don't want to make it about essential tremor, is in general, those interactions with patients that were calling to find out what this was the solution, there is a gold mine as well. So any data is valuable data. It depends how you look at it and how you analyze it.